what's up, nigga? What you doing here?
I told you not to step your foot into this land again.
I should not step my foot in this land
this
again?
is my father's land.
I'll sue you to court. I'll sue you to court.
See you in court, man.
My baby,
How many times I don't tell you say man not to sue for my apartment? What it be that now? What you do for here?
You again? How many times I don't warn you? Man, you know I try this land again.
That's why I be. You go see what I go do now. You go fear now. You go see something.
What? Phone cash? Hey! So you want to show yourself, Abi? Don't worry, I won't show you something.
Ty, I'm more fresh.
Just wait. What? Phone cash? I hear me, me, bad me. So what do you want? What?